What makes the biology major stand out is that we have a group of faculty that are very well-rounded in biology. So whatever your interests are in biology, you can explore those. We have a group of faculty that are interested in more cellular, molecular type biology, which is my field of expertise. And then we have faculty that are interested in ecology, anatomy, physiology, and we even have a paleontologist who is interested in dinosaur evolution. We also have class sizes that are much different than most colleges and universities for our introductory biology courses. Our classes, the maximum we have in our introductory biology sections is 24 students. And so that gives you the opportunity to really get to know your professor. The professors get to know you in a way that they can help you. And all of our courses are small like that in the biology program so that when you graduate, you can get a strong letter of recommendation for whatever job or graduate school you're interested in. We also have in the biology program specifically a number of unique opportunities, including research that we collaborate with HHMI, our phage hunters research, and other independent research that's happening with many of our faculty on campus.